how to transfer video to iPhone to your Android with pen drive. So first of all, you have to open your gallery and select any video. For example, I want to transfer this video, then press on this share icon, and here you can see the save to file. Press on save to file. Now press on browse, then you can see your pen drive is available here. Now press on pen drive and test video and press on save. So once done, then let's check my file is available or not. Go to file, pen drive, test folder, and you can see file is available. Now remove your pen drive and insert your pen drive to your Android device, and same way go to your file and go back, then you can see the my pen drive. Open your pen drive. Now open your folder. Here is the video, and press on hold. Now press on copy or move. Press on copy. Now insert it to your internal memory, eCIMC camera, and press on copy here. Now video is copied. So here it is. So this is how you can easily transfer video iPhone to your Android. Thank you. Have a good day.